So this is my version of a microphone cabinet, and I'm going to call it a Stewart Cabinet in honor of two people. The first is Walt Stewart, who was the artistic director for La Jolla Stage Company in the 90s, and Lacey Stewart, who was the technical director for Simi Valley Cultural Arts Center in the late aughts, I want to say, who had built a pretty cool microphone cabinet. So I stole a little bit of this from her, and the top part is for the wireless microphones. Since the Sennheisers have an antenna on one side, I've mounted them this way instead of this way. Spots for all the ear sets to hang, and a chart or a little whiteboard to track whose mic is whose. I'm going to add another little shelf in here for battery storage, but we have on at least the Sennheiser AWDs, battery chargers. The battery life on those is incredible. All of our supplies, different kinds of tape, cleaning kits, spare parts for the ear sets, spare cables for the Countryman's. And down below is where all the Eartec wireless intercoms, the charger for them, and the interface to wired ClearCom. There's the hub right there, and there's the ClearCom interface right there. They need to be far apart or you will get a buzzing sound. Found that out. And then I have a little Rolls kind of a DI. It's not an active DI, but it's a line level interface converter to let the laptop audio from Nemesis Insight mix in with 2 channels of intercom on the RS602 belt pack. There's actually 3 different lines coming in, and the computer audio is this little volume here. So the A2 can use the same headset for intercom as well as monitoring mics, pre-fader, and trying to deal with catch issues before while actors are off stage. Then everything closes up, and it's not very deep. It's pretty shallow. Oh, and at the bottom I have a little cargo net for storing belt pack stuff from wirelessmicbelts.com. Belts, harnesses, and pouches. It's probably not enough space, but so far so good. Then we have a little clipboard for tracking issues, logging issues. Even if we're not sure what the problem is, we log it so that we know next time it happens, hey, this is a recurring problem. Maybe we've got to send that pack in or that mic in for repair.